Y81 metal hydraulic baling machine. Hydraulic baling machines are dealing with metal leftover material, steel shaving, skip steel, skip copper, and other metal materials. It can press these materials into qualified, finesse chunks in shapes of carboys, cylinders, octagon, and other shapes, so as to reduce the cost of transportation and smelting. This product is metal hydraulic baling machine of Y81F to 135, which is exported to the UK. The bile discharging is turned out. This metal hydraulic baling machine of Y81T 160 is exported to Singapore. The bile discharging is pushed out. It can be equipped with diesel energy to generate electricity when there is no power supply. This hydraulic metal baler of Y81Q to 100 is exported to Australia. This kind of the machine is the first selection to compress cans and plant bucket. There are two methods of control operation: manual or PLC automatic.